Hello guys, as you know that we have a fantastic topic today. That topic is that what is the importance of English language. You know that the importance of English language is very much in our life, because you know that in this modern time everybody wants to speak English. So you know that in the lack of English they cannot get opportunities in their lives. So mostly children who are jobless these days. So it is the real fact of spoken English, because they are not able to speak with others, because you know that some children are there who are just facing and who are hesitating while speaking in front of other people, because some interviewers they ask some questions to them only in English, because if he is not comfortable, so how can he answer their questions? So according to me, so this is the major thing in front of us. I think first of all we will have to remove our this problem, because spoken English is very important in every field. Because if you want to go in your MNC companies mostly, so interviewer first of all ask us that are you comfortable in English. If our answer is no, so that means we will be rejected. I think it will be so difficult to get that job for us. So today I am here to tell you something about that, what is the importance of English language. So in some conditions, if you are not able to, because some children who come to me, I think their first answer is that, sir, I belong to village, that's why I can never learn English. But it does not matter from where you are. Matter is that how much work hard you do for learning this language, because you know that this is only a language, this is not a mountain that you have to crack it by hammer. Like Dasarath Manjhi, because he had a very big target, so he had to break that mountain only with the help of a hammer, because you have to learn this language only, you know that this is only an exercise, because as you know, as you do in your life every day, so you have to tell all those things, because as you are speaking with others only in Hindi language, I think this is also same. So I think if you are talking with others in Hindi language, so we can also communicate with others in this language also. Some children they are hesitate, because they say that I can speak English, but whenever I face any other person, a new person with strangers, in front of strangers, I feel hesitation. Because of hesitation I cannot speak up to long time. But it is not the problem, because this problem is happening with many children who are studying. You know that some children are there who are just preparing for competitive tests, because in the lack of spoken English, even they just lose many opportunities in their lives. So I just want to ask this question to all those students who are just preparing for any government job, and they are just going to face an interview in any MNC companies. That first question is that, as I have told you before, that you have to be perfect in this language. So keep putting efforts, that's all. Thank you.